Imagine being able to spend quality time with your loved ones, free from the stress and worry of caregiving. This is the story of how one family's life changed for the better. Meet Alex, a son who was trying to juggle everything. He was stressed, and his mom wasn't getting the support she needed. Their family was suffering, and Alex's work was affected. Alex's mom couldn't get around anymore, and she felt lonely and isolated. It was a tough situation for everyone. When Alex's mom had a fall, he realized that their current setup wasn't working. He needed help, and his mom needed more support than he could provide. That's when a friend recommended Network Live-In Care. He had experienced their exceptional care for his aunt and thought it could be the solution for Alex and his mom. Alex reached out to Network Live-In Care and spoke to a friendly local quality care advisor. They patiently walked him through the process, taking the time to truly understand their needs. Network Live-In Care's dedicated team came to visit Alex's mom to ensure that live-in care was the right fit for them. Soon after, a care manager visited and worked closely with Alex's mom to design a personalized care plan that suited her needs. Network Live-In Care carefully selected Louise as the caregiver for Alex's mom. They bonded instantly, sharing a love for painting. Louise moved in as soon as they were ready to start their care package, providing quick and reassuring support. A week later, the care manager checked in to see how they were doing and to review the care plan. Louise became an integral part of Alex's mom's life. With Louise's support, Alex could finally go back to being just a son, enjoying quality time with his mom. Network Live-In Care, transforming lives through compassionate care. Contact us today to experience the difference.